Hi, this is Ben All with Bellamax Realty Group at Keller Williams, and today we are at 2115 Valley Castle in East Dallas. Absolutely gorgeous, just super charming, cute little home. We're about 1,425 square feet, and the use of the space is unbelievable. So don't be fooled by the size. The way that this has been remodeled and redone, the functional use of the space is unbelievable. We've got an amazing carport, great location, East Dallas, just east of White Rock Lake, just a great area. And the house is a modern, kind of contemporary, but yet elements of craftsman, as well as a little bit of mid-century modern. So I want you guys to really take a look as we walk through this house. You'll see all of the functional utility that's been done to keep the charm, but give you the modern amenities that will make this a great home for you. So again, it's 2115 Valley Castle in East Dallas. Come on in, let's take a look. So as we walk up to the front of this house, you'll notice the huge carport that gives you just unbelievable entertainment access. You can host parties, you can visit with your friends and neighbors that are out front, and then you've got this amazing little cute front porch. Again, you'll see that the accents that have been done with the cedar trim just give this house a lot of charm and a lot of character. And then as you come in, look at what you're greeted with. Just a very open, inviting family room, kitchen, dining area, lots of natural light. The picture window at the front of the house just invites light in, as well as your neighbors. Gives you a great view of what's going on. All accented by the original hardwood floors that are in the home. They're in great condition. It's just a testament to the charm of this home. And then you look at the kitchen and you can see what I was talking about. Updated beautifully, modern appliances, modern look, just gives you all of the conveniences of a modern home. And as we go down the hallway, take a look at this first bathroom. Talk about an exquisite remodel. They did just a fabulous job utilizing the space and adding modern charm to this home. We've got a total of 3 bedrooms in this house. The front 2, one's used as an office, the other one as a guest bedroom. Both generous size, good closet space, looking out at the front of the house. And then take a look at the back here. This master bedroom is huge. Talk about possibilities for how to use it. You could have an office space, you could have a workout space, the bed space. It's just enormous with lots of opportunities for how to use it. The master bath is as well extremely nicely updated, very functional, good space, lots of storage throughout the house. And then as an added feature, you've got a door coming out of the master bedroom onto this back patio. So I want you to step out here on this back patio and just absorb and think about all of the things that you could do with this space. It is enormous. It's 34 feet long, 11 feet wide. It's got a beautiful cedar railing fencing across the front of it onto the backyard, and an incredible setting. Tons of space to entertain, sit back, relax, have a glass of wine, let the kids play, the dogs play, whatever might be your needs. And the backyard, one of the best I've ever seen. 8-foot privacy fence all the way around, board-on-board cedar, and then we've got the Edison light bulb lighting hanging from the trees throughout. It's an exquisite setting, it's an entertaining delight, and it's just an enchanting area for you to have your friends and family over. So come take a look at 2115 Valley Castle Drive in East Dallas. Exquisite home. I want you to come see it. Consider it for yourself. It is a great property. If you have questions, give me a call. Ben All, 817-992-1886.